Hey y'all, it's your girl Tamia here, and I am back with a brand new video for you guys today. So y'all, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a random day in my life vlog. So in my last vlog, I mentioned to y'all that I'll be staying at my mom's house for the next 3 weeks. Today is Tuesday, August 2nd, so it's the beginning of those 3 weeks. I don't really have any plans today, but to make it a somewhat productive day, I am going to go through some of my things in the garage. In my last video, I went through a lot of my clothing and stuff. Today, I'm probably gonna go through like my shoes and also my arts and crafts supplies. I'm down in the kitchen right now because I'm gonna make me something to eat. So I got this yesterday. I got some maple brown sugar oatmeal. And then I got some eggs here. I'm gonna make me some scrambled eggs. And then I also have some bacon right there in the sink. It's thawing out. Well, really it's done thawing out. I'm gonna take it out and put it in the oven. And then I also have my croissant buns here because I'm gonna make me a croissant sandwich. So y'all, this is my breakfast meal. Ignore this bowl, it got all dirty in the microwave, but I got my oatmeal and I got my little breakfast sandwich with eggs, bacon, and I got some extra bacon on the side. But yeah, I'm about to go upstairs and eat my food, then I'm gonna come back down and wash these dishes. So y'all, I finished eating my food and now I'm back in my room. Here is my bed over here, and it is not made up or anything, so that's what I'm about to do now. And I'm also going to clean on this side, which y'all can't see, and then on the other side of my bed, it's a bunch of stuff right there that I need to pick up. So let's do this. Made in my bed, and I also organized a little bit more of the room. I still gotta kind of tackle that area, but I'll get to that in a little bit. Anyways, I also went through my suitcase. I really just reorganized it. I've actually been living out of this suitcase since I got back from Vegas. I went ahead and moved this big old suitcase into my room. So what I'm gonna do is take them out of this suitcase and put them in the closet.
About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Raeshun. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing. When I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I get so high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your.
So y'all, I went ahead and hung everything up in the closet and also reorganized it a little bit. So I hung up all of my jackets and sweaters, and then I also organized that little corner and up here on the top shelf just so it can be a little less decluttered because it looked really cluttered in here. I'm actually going to pause cleaning this room and go to the garage and start organizing some of my stuff in there.
Brown sugar play. I get high off the love, don't know how to behave.
So y'all, I brought everything in from the garage, and so first and foremost I have all of my art supplies, and then I also have my little rolly cart thingy from Michael's. I also have this bag here and this one, this pink one. They both have like purses and stuff in there, and then this middle bag has shoes, and I also have shoes in here and here. So y'all, I went through most of my art stuff, and like I had predicted before, a lot of it is staying at home, or actually all of it is staying. And then everything in this box I'm going to take back to my apartment. It was just like stuff that was on my desk, batteries, and then also like my power strip and stuff like that. So y'all, I'm currently in the garage organizing a lot of different random things. I organized like all my decor items in here. So I got like my lights and stuff at the bottom, got my letters, and then over here is a lot of my like desk items. I'm kind of going through this stuff now with like the restroom stuff. I'm trying to like organize all this toiletries and stuff. But for the most part, I'm really almost done.
If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me, if I'm the girl that you claim. Why don't you say the things?
So y'all, I am finally done organizing the garage. It looks so much better in here. It's so much more space. So in this corner right here is all the stuff that I'm going to take back to Denton with me. Obviously, I still have some things in the house. I have like my clothes, my TV, my blankets, and also some new items that I bought yesterday. I do want y'all to stay tuned for a college apartment haul. I will be coming out with one of those soon. So like the theme for my room is going to be like moon, stars, planets. I'm really excited to decorate. Even though I'm only staying for 5 months, I'm still really excited to decorate. Like I'm gonna make it feel comfortable. Over here, I was able to organize like all my seasonal items, so all my Christmas stuff, like Easter stuff, Valentine's Day stuff. We're gonna go upstairs, put this stuff together really quick, and then after that, probably make me something to eat, give me something to drink because I am thirsty. Ugh. Lord. Okay, y'all. So I have the two little pieces here. So this is like what holds the whole structure together. I got this piece which goes at the top. These 4 little things which are held by screws. Then we got all these which are the little bins. I got this little pink bag here, and in this bag holds everything. I put all the screws. This is like a really important bag to me. If this gets lost, nothing can get put together.
Take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
So y'all, I'm about done with organizing this thing. Now all I gotta do is organize all my paints and then figure out how I'm gonna set it up in my room. The cart is here and it looks really good. But yeah, for the most part, everything has been organized and put away. So I'm really happy for that. So I'm about to make me some leftovers from yesterday. Y'all see my bowl sitting over there? Oop. All right. So we're gonna put 2. It's really hard doing this, y'all. Come on, Betty. I'm about to give the dog a bath because he stinks. And it's really gonna defeat the purpose because we're outside. My mom won't let me bathe him in the tub. So in the last clip, I was grinding up some oatmeal because his skin is very irritated. So y'all, I have a shampoo here. It's Shed Control shampoo. I think I got this from Pet Supplies Plus. I have this spray here, fragrance mist for dogs. And then I also have a towel. And then his little, I don't know what this is. This is for like his fur though. Are you ready to bathe, buddy? You look so sad. Come here.
Yeah.
Work. To me, I get work.
So y'all, the dog has bathed, and right now he's in his empty cage because I have to wash all his blankets and pillows and things. So, but yeah, y'all. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a shower and then just chill for a little bit. And so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here because there's nothing else that I'm gonna do today, you know. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. I'll subscribe to this channel, which is linked in the down bar below, and make sure you follow me on my social media, which is linked in the down bar below as well. Anyways, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.
Something that you never seen, something that